I wanted to do my favorite experiment of the year, which is a bubbles experiment, but it's very messy. So lots of soapy water gets all over my lab tables, and I want to make sure that I'm able to clean it all up. So I'm going to test some different paper towels to see how much water they can absorb. I want to get the most absorbent paper towel to help clean up my lab. So first I've got to make some soapy solution. So I take about 5 milliliters of this Dawn soap, and I'm going to put it in a container, just a regular old plastic container. Then I'm going to need to add some water to it to make it a soapy solution. So I'm going to go over to the sink. I'm going to grab a graduated cylinder, and then I'm going to measure out about 100 milliliters of water and add that to my soap. Next, what I'm going to do is take one of the pre-cut portions of the Bounty paper towel. I'm going to completely submerge it in the soapy solution, and then I'm going to wring it out over another container until no more can come out. So one last squeeze there. Then I'm going to use a funnel to pour that liquid that the paper towel absorbed into a graduated cylinder so I can see how much of it was taken up by the paper towel. I'm going to repeat that process for the Bounty paper towel again, and then I'm going to do 2 trials of that for the Viva paper towel and 2 trials of that for the Up and Up paper towel. Then I'm going to take an average of how much liquid each brand was able to absorb so that I can answer my experimental question. Notice that I left out some controls in my experiment, so as you're filling out your lab report, please give me some indications about what would be a good positive control, negative control, or both. If you're not able to say both, give me an explanation for why I shouldn't include a positive control or why I shouldn't include a negative control, but don't just leave it blank.